guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Heidi, I like to cook, and today we are making chimichurri sauce. So you're probably wondering, like, what is a chimichurri sauce? That's a really good question. I don't have all the answers, but I have some of them, and I know it's a green salsa verde. So it's like a side condiment that they use in South America to like put on their steaks, and it's really good, pretty delicious, and we're gonna make it right now. So first things first, gather up all your ingredients so you can have it like mise en place and just ready to like bust out. You're going to need 1 1/3 cups of flat leaf parsley, 2/3 of a cup of cilantro, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, which I'm about to smash right now. Take my anger out. You're gonna need some oregano, 2 teaspoons, a 1/4 cup of hot water to like bloom the oregano, bring it out. You're gonna need 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. You're going to need some red wine vinegar, 1/2 cup of olive oil, good olive oil, guys. Don't get cheap on me. And then some salt to like your taste. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. First things first, I'm gonna add some gloves on because like smashing the garlic can get really like scented, smelly, and I got a lot of things to do. I got people to see, places to go, and I can't be smelling like garlic. So the easiest way to like get your garlic from like out of the cloves is to just smash it. Okay, just smash it with a knife, or like use the flattest part of your knife or like the back of your knife and just you know, just take out all your frustrations. Those 2020 the people who you know, let you down. Yeah, I swear I'm not an angry person. I just love to chop garlic, peel it, and then look how easily it comes out. And now I'm done. But yeah, so you're just going to get your garlic cloves and you are going to pop them in your blender. I actually recommend using a food processor, but you know, homegirl's on a budget, and at my parents' right now, living at home, quarantining with the family, so I can't really you know, expect to have a food processor. Anywho, put the garlic in the blender, guys, okay? So next things next, you're going to get a 1/4 cup of hot water, which I have right here, and you're going to put it into a little dish. Like, oh my god, Heidi, what's this hot water for? This is to bloom the oregano. So this is like a very herbaceous side dish, and we want it to use concentrated oregano leaves, but when they're dry, sometimes their flavor isn't really like that intact. But if you actually bloom it with some hot water, any dry herbs that you add hot water to, it'll like just bring out the flavor a little bit more. So we're gonna toss that in, and then you just mix it up like that. Oh my god. And let it set for like 5 minutes. I'm gonna finish with the rest of the ingredients, and it should be more flavorful than it was before. You know what I mean? Catch my drift? Get what I'm saying? So next, we are going to gather up our cilantro and our parsley. So 1 1/3 cups of flat leaf parsley. So just loosely pack it into a cup. Yeah. Just pop it in the blender. Next is 2/3 a cup of cilantro. We're gonna add 1/2 cup of olive oil. So into the blender. And then a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. Ooh, that is potent. And then 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. 2 teaspoons of salt. I guess you need a lot. Last but not least, we're gonna add in the oregano, which has been sitting out for a while. Got my lid, and we are just going to rock and roll. So yeah, that's that. Okay, that actually looks good. I'm gonna pulse it like 2 or 3 more times. You want it to be like thick and chunky because this is how they do it in South America, obvi. So yeah. Okay, we're done. That's it. Chimichurri sauce. Oh my gosh, looks delicious. Smells even better. And let's give it a taste test. Let's try this bad boy. Whoa. Oh my God. That is delicious. So you just gather that up. And there we are with our chimichurri. Don't spill it, Heidi. Chimichurri salsa. Salsa verde. South American salsa verde. You get the point. Okay. Bye.